Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate language progress with Busuu detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin automating your language progress with Busuu, first, download the Busuu app from your device's app store or visit their website. Create an account by providing your email address and choosing a secure password. Once logged in, select the language you wish to learn from the list of available options. After selecting your language, complete the initial placement test to assess your current proficiency level. Based on your test results, Busuu will suggest a personalized study plan tailored to your needs. Access your study plan from the dashboard to view daily practice sessions and assignments. To automate reminders, navigate to the settings in your profile and enable push notifications for study prompts. Set specific goals for yourself, such as daily study time or number of lessons completed per week. Utilize the personalized study plan to focus on weak areas, ensuring that you allocate time to topics that need improvement. Take advantage of the practice exercises, including vocabulary reviews and writing tasks, which reinforce your learning experience. To enhance your speaking skills, use the voice recording feature to compare your pronunciation with native speakers. Regularly review your progress by checking the progress tracker available in the dashboard. Engage with the community by participating in language exchange with native speakers for real-world practice. To ensure consistency, schedule dedicated study times in your calendar and treat these sessions as non-negotiable appointments. Lastly, stay motivated by celebrating small victories, such as completing a module or mastering new vocabulary. Following these steps will help you effectively automate and optimize your language learning journey with Busuu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.